So we'll be continuing with the Python functions as it's very key to your becoming of a great backend developer. So we're going to look at the default parameter value. So we are going to look at an example that shows a default parameter and how we can be able to optimize the process. So quickly, we're going to declare a function def my country equals somewhere. So you can just say my function, is so however, how many you want to use. As your example, I'm from Kaduna, I'm from Abuja, and so you can see that here it's just a default parameter. It doesn't mean that that's the parameter you are going to use. So, but then if I do not, so it doesn't mean that that is the parameter. So the Nigeria is just a default parameter that we assign to it. So passing a list as an argument. So let's see how we can be able to pass a list as an argument. So we've talked about list. I want to believe that you understand what list is. And if you don't know what a list is, you can just go back to the video and check what a list is. So yeah, I'll just declare my function. I'll say my function will be my list. And I'm going to name it as food. Okay, so I'll not say for x in food. For x in food. Okay. For x in food. X. So everything in Python is interconnected, and whatever you've learned is not a waste. So you don't make the mistake of saying, oh, this part makes more sense, or this part is hard, so I don't have to learn this part because I don't like how the teacher taught this one. You know, every single thing that you're learning here is very, very important to your experience and helping you to gain that advantage, right? So at the end of the day, you'll be able to see the interconnection as it relates to you becoming a stronger back-end developer. So I have successfully declared my my list. So I've created my list. So now I want to call the function for my list. For x, sorry, include. Okay, so here is me passing a list as an argument. So you can actually pass as a list as an argument in Python function. So let's look at the next thing. Let's see how the pass through. The next thing we are looking at is the pass statement. The next thing we are looking at is the pass statement. So we can see that the pass statement uh, here basically enables you to avoid getting an error. So the function definition cannot be empty, but if for some reason have a function definition with no content, put in the pass statement to avoid getting an error. So let's say def backend developer developer. That's right. And then you don't have anything to put here. You don't have anything to put, so you just pass the statement basically so that you won't get an error in your code. So next thing is we are going to look at is positional only argument. So in positional only argument, you can specify that a function can have only positional argument or only keywords or only keywords argument. So here, in order to be able to do this, you can just so for positional argument, say my function x um, and x from. So this is for positional argument. So you can be able to apply it with them eventually as you go on. All right, so that's all. Okay, so the next one is keywords only argument. So let's look at keywords only argument. So keyword only keywords only argument. So an example of keywords only argument is okay. So I can just say what is my keyword? Keywords. Okay. My keywords X enter X keywords X equals So so you can use both keywords, and then you can also use the positional only argument. So you've been able to see the difference. So now let's see how we can be able to combine both the positional only and keyword only. So combine positional